Alright, so yesterday we were looking at multiplication. Right now we're going to be dealing with division. To find each quotient, we're going to deal with division. So I'm dealing with fractions. So if one of the numbers is not a fraction, make it a fraction. I'm making number one, the first number, make it a fraction. But now, I know multiplication was easy, because we just multiplied straight. Multiplication was easy. So division, we're going to change it to multiplication. The only difference is the second fraction, I'm going to flip it. What I mean with that, I'm going to go negative 4 over 1 times 3 over negative 2. The second fraction, flip it. We call that reciprocal. So, and then multiply. And instead of just multiplying straight, I want to simplify first. Right? 4 and 2, let me divide each by 2. So they become 1 and 2. Now I'm going to multiply straight across. I know negative times negative is positive. On the top I have 2 times 3. And at the bottom I have 1 times 1. So I have 6 over 1, which can be simplified as 6. I'm saying multiplication, you multiply straight. Right? Simplify first, then multiply straight. But division, change it to multiplication and flip the second fraction. Question number 2, we have a mixed number. So first of all, let's take care of the mixed number, change it to improper. So I'm just going to have 8 over 7 divided by 11 over 8. Remember my 11 because I went 1 times 8 plus 3. Right, that's how I got the 11. Alright, so now I'm going to switch this to multiplication. I'm going to go 8 over 7 times 8 over 11. Don't forget to switch the second fraction. And then as a matter of fact, don't switch just any fraction, switch the second. Right? It's not any, it's the second one. Then I'm just going to, well, first simplify if you can. Then I'm going to just multiply straight. 8 times 8 is 64. 7 times 11 is 77. Big numbers at the bottom, so we're good. I don't have to divide. Let me take a look at question number 3. I see a mixed number, so let me change that to improper. So I have negative 1 over 3 divided by negative 13 over 6. Right, the 13, I went 2 times 6 and then added to the top. Now that I have it improper, I'm going to switch it to multiplication and flip the second number. So I have negative 1 over 3 times 6 over negative 13. Simplify if you can. The 6 and the 3, we can divide each by 3. So that gives me 1 and 2. Now I'm going to multiply straight across. I know negative times negative, it's positive. On the top I have 1 times 2. And at the bottom I have 1 times 13. So my answer is 2 over 13. If my number on the top was bigger, divide, change it to a mixed number. Right? If the number on top is bigger. And there will be some questions where you guys have to do that. Let me take a look at question number 4. I'm going to change that first number to a fraction. And I'm going to change the second one to an improper. So I'm going to go 2 over 1 divided by 5 over 2. Right, I change the second one to improper fraction. That cannot have any mix. I'm going to change this to multiplication now. 2 over 1 times 2 over 5. Don't forget, flip the second fraction. What do you guys get? 4 over 5. Right? Addition, subtraction was hard. That's why we spent 2 weeks with this. Multiplication, division, we're spending 2 days on this. You guys see the difference? 2 weeks or 2 days? When something that is hard, we take longer. I'll say multiplication, division, I guess we'll take 3 days. Because tomorrow I'll do both, multiplication and division. Instead of 2 weeks. let me take a look. Something like number 5. I'm waiting for this to come back. It's processing a minute. Multiplication division is easier. Just waiting for this thing to come back. Hold on. Alright, first of all, make sure they're all fractions. So I put a 1 on the second number. I don't have mixed numbers, so I'm good to change this to fraction. I mean multiplication. So I'm going to have 12 over 7 times 1 over 4. Simplify if you can. I'm going to choose a 12 and the 4. Remember, always choose a number from the top, a number from the bottom, even if they're from separate fractions. Divide each by 4. And just multiply straight across. What do you guys get? 3 over 7. Thank you. Front and back are pretty much the same idea. Like your front side of the paper, the back side of the paper, they're pretty much the same idea. Any questions?